Mr. Prime Minister, my name is Ashwin Joshi. I work at an investment management firm here, and I am from Kathmandu, Nepal.
I told you would bring Wall Street.
My question to you is, many in Nepal are excited about the rail that will connect China to Kathmandu, and China is really excited to give us the debt that we need to build that as well. Many countries in our neighborhood have fallen into that debt trap, including Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Malaysia. How do you suggest, or how are you looking to avoid falling into the same debt trap? And Prime Minister Rudd, as an expert on China, I'd love to hear your opinion on this as well.
This is this Prime Minister's forum, not mine. So that's called avoiding the question. So over to you, PM.
Okay, exactly speaking, I don't understand what is the meaning of that very debt trap. Countries are getting loan, investing. We need in very cheaper rates. Loans we need, of course, and we invest. To save us from debt trap, if there is any country, any bank, to provide us without any interest, we welcome that. Otherwise, there is no way. We need money, we need investment, we need support, and not only without interest also. If countries can donate us, being based on our priority and our necessity, otherwise we do not accept. With our priority and necessity, if somebody donates us, that's welcome, must welcome. If not, without interest, again welcome. And in cheaper interest, that's good. We do not accept from any, there is no compulsion for us to accept. So no question of debt trap, etc. I think, I don't know exactly what the meaning people want to say, debt trap.
I think, Prime Minister, it proceeds from a recent IMF report on the extent to the impact of various loans extended by our Chinese friends in particular for Belt and Road Initiative projects. And it's a relative calculation about the capacity of the national budget of the country in question to sustain that debt on its balance sheet to repay over time. I think, as you correctly said, it becomes a set of sovereign decisions about how much is tolerable within normal receipts over time.
According to our priority and necessity.
Absolutely, it's a sovereign matter.